Hello, today we will be installing Sphinx Chat and showing you how to send your first messages using the Lightning Network. This tutorial assumes that you already have a fully synced LND node running on your embassy. If you do not, please watch that video or see our documentation before continuing. Using Sphinx also requires that you have both inbound and outbound liquidity with another well-connected node. For best results, it is recommended that your channel have at least 100,000 sats of total capacity with at least 2,000 sats of inbound liquidity. The easiest way to get inbound liquidity is to open a channel with Start9 and fund it with 100,000 sats. Then you can ask us for an invoice, and we'll send you an invoice for 2,000. Once you pay that, you're good to go. For more information about getting your channel set up, please see our documentation or drop into one of our community channels. Okay, assuming your Lightning node is synced and funded with both inbound and outbound liquidity, let's get started using Sphinx. First, we'll go to the Marketplace tab, select the Sphinx Chat service, and click Install. Go ahead and go through the dialog. Once the install is complete, you can go to the Services tab and click on the Sphinx Chat service. It will ask for configuration, so let's click Configure. The only configuration required is a reference to the location of your LND node, which is automatically added and cannot be changed, so we can just click Save. As with any new service, it's always a good idea to read the instructions. We can now start the service. Okay, now we need to go and download one of the Sphinx client apps. They have apps for iOS, Android, Mac, Linux, and Windows. In this example, we'll be using an Android device. So first we'll download the app APK from the Sphinx.chat website. So let's switch over to our Android device. On our device, we'll open up a web browser and go to Sphinx.chat. Roll down to the APK downloader, or if you're on iOS, use the App Store. Install the app. Since we are on Android, we also need to have Orbot running in VPN mode. You can see how to do this in another video. This is not necessary for any other device, so if you're using iOS or a computer, you can ignore this part. So we go to Orbot, and under Tor-enabled apps, select Sphinx, and make sure Orbot is started if it's not already. And done. Okay, other device users can tune back in. Now we need to connect our Sphinx app to our Sphinx node running on the embassy. So let's switch back over to our embassy. This is a simple matter of scanning a QR code or copying and pasting. Back inside the Sphinx service on the embassy, we're going to go to the properties, and we're either going to use the QR code here or just copy the connection string like I'm going to do. Then we'll go back to our Android device. We'll go into the Sphinx app. Then we're going to paste this value into the Sphinx app. Okay, we're in. Let's click Get Started. Can choose a PIN number. For our example, we'll just blast through this. Set a nickname. Select an image if you'd like. And that's it. Now comes something very important, backing up our new Sphinx app. Since Sphinx does all encryption and decryption on the device, if you do not make a backup and something happens to your device, there's absolutely no way to recover your messages. They will be lost forever. As a bonus, creating this backup also enables you to use Sphinx across multiple devices. So to do a backup, we're going to go into the menu, select Profile, and scroll to the bottom. Now click Export Keys. On iOS, the wording is back up your key, but it's the same thing. Clicking this button will copy the key to your device's clipboard after you enter your PIN. Go ahead and paste this in a safe place, like Bitwarden, for example. With the backup secure, you're ready to start messaging. Thanks for watching.